If you think logically, are good at analyzing information, and have good communication skills, you may enjoy a career as an information systems consultant. Information systems consultants design, develop, and implement software to meet the information needs of an organization. They also assess and adapt software for specific uses. To understand the inner workings of this occupation, we spoke directly to an information systems consultant.
My name is James Lee and I'm an information systems consultant. And as an information systems consultant, my primary role is to advise the business area strategically on how to leverage technology to best meet their business goals. So my job can entail anything from project implementation, development of strategic plans, and also any operational management of IT technology staff. From day in and day out, I deal with executives to frontline staff in delivery of my services. So a typical day for an information systems consultant is I come in the morning and I take a look at my emails to see what's going to be up for the day. I review my emails and deal with any emergent issues with the clients and address them as soon as possible. And then I prepare for the rest of the day. So there's very little programming as an information systems consultant. We spend a lot more time working with the business area, trying to understand their business goals and their visions, and we try to articulate that back to the information technologists to actually deliver the particular solution. How we start a project is it generally comes up with an idea or a problem that we're trying to solve for the business, or it could potentially be a direction that the business wants to head. We document what are the specific requirements to meet those goals. So what are some of the functionality or some of the things that technology could possibly help with? And once we've documented that, we may develop the system in-house and engage the proper technical specialists to actually do the development. They do the coding and actually develop the system. The next step is actually to ensure that the system is properly adopted in the organization. I would oversee the team that will then support and maintain the system. And if there's any issues, then my team would actually be the one that would try to resolve them. We typically work in an office environment, so we spend a lot of our time in meetings as with many other consultants in other fields. So we would actually go out to the sites where the business area works so we can understand their business process and understand how they work. And we really do want to be part of the business as much as possible. You are always continuously learning. Every business area that you go into operates slightly differently, even if it is in the same field. You need to be continuously learning and you need to be quick on your feet. Some of the specific duties and responsibilities I have: managing budgets, managing spreadsheets, doing proposals, presentations to our clients. So the typical tools and equipment is your cell phone, your laptop, your tablets, and generally just the office productivity software that will help you document and deliver the solutions. I think the skills that are necessary to do my job is to have a strong understanding of the IT industry and its trends. Personality that's best suited for this job is someone who is outgoing and someone who is professional and confident. You have to be a people person to be able to engage the executives, engage staff at all levels. My path to get here is I went to university and I went through an engineering program, but to be an information systems consultant is really having a broad educational background. How I started in this industry is I started as a technologist. I started by doing programming and also maintaining servers, networks, and those kind of things. I moved myself up to being a business analyst and then a project manager, and now as an information systems consultant. Next step for this career would typically be a higher level of managerial responsibility. As far as I'm concerned, I like the variety of the work that I have in my field, and I will more than likely stay in this field until I retire. I really love my job because I'm able to work with the business areas and work with so many industries to be able to solve their problem. And at the end of the day, being able to see what I develop in production and being used by the end users and how satisfied they are with it. And that's what I really enjoy about my job.
Information systems consultants need a combination of technical expertise and business training or experience. Post-secondary program graduates usually must acquire some related experience before they are eligible to become information systems consultants. Discover more about this occupation, such as educational requirements and salary ranges, in the occupational profile on the ALICE website, and learn about related occupations like computer network administrator and computer programmer. Make the most of your future. Go to alice.alberta.ca.